Good day, everybody out there. In the bid to stay fit, I've been trying to eat everything naturally. Even the things I drink, I try to drink naturally. Before, I used to take this coffee, but I've stopped taking it now. I'm now taking natural brewed coffee, and I have my coffee here. This container is not it. This coffee is made in Nigeria, grounded coffee, and I have something here. It's called the Italian Mokka pot, and this is how I do my coffee. I just open the Italian Mokka pot and take a spoon of grounded coffee, of baked beans. It's coffee beans. It's grounded. I make sure I fill it there, and I take my mocha pot to the sink, and I open the tap, put some water in there, and I make sure it doesn't fill to the brim. And I drop my coffee there off the tap, and I go back, carry my Italian mocha pot, cover it tightly, and I come to my gas and I put it on. I make sure the fire is not too much. I reduce the fire and I wait for some few minutes. While I'm waiting, because this coffee comes out very thick, and sometimes if it's that thick and you take it that thick, it's either too dark, or if your heart is faint, it may give you palpitation. So I mix a little bit of water so that it's not too thick. And while that I'm waiting, I come, take a cup, and I fill it up with water. While the mocha pot is on the fire, I fill it up with water, and I come here, put it. It's a routine. I do this every day, like several times, sometimes 3 times. But I make sure that I don't take more than 5 glasses of coffee in a day. So I now plug in my water there and just on the heater and wait for my coffee to get ready. So I'm waiting for the coffee to be brewed. It's a good waiting period. So the coffee is not ready. If you see this, there's nothing out here because the coffee is not yet ready. It's heating it, and it's a process that forces the hot water to go through a mesh that brings out the brewed coffee out here. It's not yet ready. I close it, and I wait. I wait while my water is still boiling. I think I will off it for now to wait for the coffee so that they all boil at the same time. So now, talking about coffee, whether it's healthy or not, is a talk for another time. But I take coffee. I know the benefits of coffee. You don't just have to take more than 5 cups in a day, and you have to keep hydrated if you are a coffee person. I don't add sugar to it. I just take it black. But it keeps me from staying hungry. It gives me the right energy I need not to be hungry. Generally, I don't eat breakfast. So this is like breakfast to me. The calories is less than 1 calorie. I think a cup of coffee is less than 1 calorie if I remember correctly. So I take this in the mornings, drink a lot of water. My breakfast actually is from 12 in the afternoon. And that's when I take my breakfast. And I make sure that I don't eat later than 8 p.m. Now, because of this my routine, I stay fit, stay strong. I can eat carbs. Like when I was in Makodi for February, I ate pound yam every day because I have a routine of doing that fast for like 16 to 18 hours every day. So it looks as if my coffee is brewed. You can see the coffee is ready. I off that and come back here and on the water so that it reaches the boiling point. Now, because of the quantity of the coffee there and this water, if I pour the coffee there, it may be too much. So I wait for the water to boil to the boiling point. Boil to the boiling point. I think there will be coffee in heaven. So the water is too full, so I'll reduce the water a little bit so that my coffee will fit in. I come back here, I put a cup of water there, then I take my mocha pot with a jug and I pour my brewed coffee into the cup of coffee. So that is how I brew my coffee every morning with the Italian Mokka pot. So good. I am the shepherd, Lord, the Shadrach, and I strive to make you thrive.